Welcome Kasturians. In this video, we will discuss the concluding part of chapter 4, that is agriculture from geography. As we have discussed about rice, the major staple food crop. Now we will discuss about wheat. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. This crop requires a cool growing season with 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall and a sunshine at the time of ripening. The wheat growing regions are the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and the black soil regions of the Deccan. Then we have millets. Millets include jowar, bajra and ragi. These are the crops which are having very high nutritional value. Earlier, the production of millets it declined, but now with the decreasing physical work and increasing nutritional requirements, the growth of millets has been promoted again. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. It is a major source of protein in the vegetarian diet. The pulses they need less moisture and they survive in dry conditions also. The major pulses producing states in India include Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Apart from cereals, other food crops which are grown prominently in India are sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature ranging from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeters to 100 centimeters. The major sugarcane producing states include Uttar Pradesh being the prominent one in sugarcane production, especially the western Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. The oil seeds they cover approximately 12% of the total cropped area of country. They are used as a cooking medium as well as they are used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Tea, as we know, it's a very common beverage. The tea cultivation is a prominent example of plantation agriculture. It's an important beverage crop which was introduced initially in India by the Britishers. A warm and moist frost-free climate is required with frequent showers throughout the year for growing tea. The major tea producing states are Assam, Darjeeling, the hills of Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri districts. In West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala we can see tea plantations. Coffee. Indian coffee is having a very good quality and for it is for this quality that it is known worldwide. The cultivation of coffee is confined to Karnataka, that is Nilgiri in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. When it comes to horticulture crops, India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. Around 13% of the world's vegetables they are produced in India. Now we have the non-food crops. It includes rubber, which is an equatorial crop. since it is equatorial, that is the regions which are nearing the equator. So it requires a moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeters and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Along with the equatorial regions, the rubber is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. The major rubber producing states include Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Now we have the fibrous crops. The fibrous crops include cotton, jute, hemp, and natural silk. These are the four major fibrous crops. Cotton, jute, and hemp, they are derived from the crops grown in the soil, whereas natural silk is obtained from cocoons of the silkworm, which are fed on mulberry leaves. Cotton is the main raw material for cotton textile industry, and India ranked second after China in the production of cotton. It grows well in the dry parts of black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. High temperature, high rainfall or irrigation, around 210 days of frost free and bright sunshine is required for growth of cotton. This crop requires 6 to 8 months to mature. The major crop producing states include Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. Then we have jute, the golden fiber. It grows on well drained fertile soils in the flooded plains where soils are renewed every year. High temperature is required at the time of growth. The major states that produce jute include Meghalaya, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, and Odisha. Jute is prominently used as a packing material and for making ropes, yarn, carpets, and other artifacts. That's all we have in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.